Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Who is ready for a Dollar Tree haul? I haven't done one of these in a while. This one was not even planned. I literally ran in there for 3 things and I came out with like 4 bags. So I figured I would do a haul for you guys and show you what I got. Nothing too crazy and exciting. We are going to the Chicago Bears are coming to town this weekend. We live here in Phoenix and I'm from Illinois, so like my husband, everyone, they're all Bears fans. Which, if you guys follow me, you guys know I used to cheer for the Colts, so it's kind of like a rivalry here, but I do support the Bears because that's where I'm from as well. So we are going to the Bears game this weekend and we're taking our RV, and so I just wanted to kind of pick up a few items for tailgating, and they actually had some really cute orange stuff because it's fall, and then I like paired it with some blue stuff, so I did Bears colors. So if you guys want to see what I got, keep watching. So this is the first little bag-ish. It's kind of just in this little thing. So I saw this and I really have no idea what I'm gonna put in it, but I'm sure I'll find something. I just thought it was cute because it was orange and it goes with the colors, with the theme, so I thought that would be cute. And then I did find these blue cups. I did not know they sold these kind of cups. There's 16 in a pack for $1. I don't know, is that even really a good deal? I don't know. I was just there and I thought they would go with the Bears colors, so I got them. But yeah, I didn't even know they had these. And then I picked up some blue plates to keep with the theme. I got, did I only get one of these? Orange napkins, blue silverware, and then this, I just got these little cake pans. One of my friends just had a baby, and so I'm gonna make them some chili, and I thought I'd whip up some cornbread and just put it in here. I'm in a mom's group, and we do meal support for our friends that have babies, and I just like to run to the dollar store and get like the Tupperware and stuff from there, because that way you're not like, you don't have to worry about getting it back, and they're still decent quality. So I got these for some cornbread. All right, in this bag we got, I'm telling you guys, this is the most random haul you're probably ever gonna see because I just kept seeing things. I'm like, oh yeah, I could use that, I could use that. I went in for, literally the only things I went in for were the Tupperware for my friend, and then like the plates and napkins for the tailgate. And I came out with the most random stuff. So I got some of this carpet, Fresh Sensations Carpet Odor Eliminator in Island Mist. I love to sprinkle this stuff on the carpet before I vacuum. It just makes the house smell nice. And then I did pick up some more of these little craft sticks. These are fun just to do random projects with the girls. And then these, okay, this is exciting, you guys. We're working on another video right now. We are working on potty training. So I picked up these toddler flushable wipes. We got my daughter the pink little potty that has, like the back has a little spot for you could put wipes in there and it like makes a flushing sound. It's so cute. So I literally just put that thing together. She hasn't even seen it yet. So fingers crossed that it goes well and maybe she'll be potty trained sooner rather than later. And then I grabbed some chalk, sidewalk chalk. So for the game, my husband, we made a cornhole set. He made the wooden part and I like sewed up the little bags for the cornhole, and the wood part he painted with chalkboard paint. Isn't that a good idea? I never thought to even do that. So we can draw on it, and I told him, I was like, we can keep score on it too, and he just laughed at me. I'm like, what? I always forget the score, so I thought that would be perfect. We can draw on it. I got these cute little cups. There's 4 of them, and my girls are starting to get used to drinking out of big girl cups, like for OJ and stuff in the morning, so I thought these would be cute for them. Hopefully they won't spill. And then I got these little containers. These are for the meal support that I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put maybe some cheese in there. I'm making turkey chili, so I figured I would put like cheese or crackers or whatever in here, and that way I don't need them back. This is the Tupperware that I'm gonna put the chili in. I've never seen these Tupperwares before. These have a vented lid, like our Pyrex, you know, but this is plastic. But so you push and it has a little vent. That is so cool. Dollar Tree is starting to step up on their containers, so I thought that would be perfect for the chili. That's a great size. And then, okay, these I saw, if you guys saw my back to school supply haul, you'll see what I got. I got a couple items I got like a one of those binder things. I got a notebook and a pencil case, and it was all this design. And I saw these just lying there, like they were kind of by themselves. They're little file folders, but it's the same color. So they match the other stuff I have. I thought these would be super cute. I probably won't use them for folders or anything. I'll probably just put like a random, I may even put them in the living room and try to like tuck all of our cords. Like we've got so many like phone chargers and watch chargers and this and that. So I might try to think, like find a cute idea to do with these for the wires, because I don't like seeing them. They're an eyesore. And the last couple things I got this orange little tray. I thought this would be perfect for the game. We could put meat on here. We're gonna grill out, so we can put the buns, whatever we want. But it goes with the theme. So yeah, they've got tons of cute little fall stuff out right now. Probably like for, I think they're probably doing it for Thanksgiving, you know? So you could put like whatever on here, and like that bucket you could fill it with ice and put waters in there, or pop or whatever. So I thought that was cute. And the last couple things I got, you guys know me, I always pick up batteries. They're not the greatest quality, but I just like to have like these odd sizes. I just like to have extras because they've got random toys and you open it and it's like, oh man, I don't have that size. But so I always just pick up these random battery sizes at Dollar Tree and throw them in our drawer. And if you guys didn't see my Amazon favorites video that I just posted this week, it's got this awesome battery organizer. I will show you guys. It is so cool, and it holds all these random sizes, and it has kept our junk drawer looking so much neater. All right, the last thing I got, these are just some little My Little Pony stickers, and these are gonna go along with the potty training. I printed off this little potty training chart from Pinterest, and you put stickers on it. So each time, what I'm gonna do is if she goes pee-pee on the potty, she gets 1 sticker, and if she goes poo, she gets 2 stickers. So I thought these would be cute for her. She likes My Little Pony, so fingers crossed she likes the little incentives and it goes over well. So all right, you guys, that is my Dollar Tree haul. It was pretty random. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like the Dollar Tree, and we'll see you guys next time.